good idea, but he's Star. Yeah? I was kind of thinking if together we could make like a cupcake? No, cake? No. A club. What? You know how I've always seriously wanted to be in the FBI. Yeah, but wait, let me get this straight. You want to be in the FBI, and you want to make a club according to the FBI. Yes, we could be the head of it, and we could make our own investigating unit. See, my dad's part of the FBI, and then he's the head of the FBI, and he said yes, if we could do it together, Star, this would be awesome. Amazing, in fact. Please, Star, please, it would mean the world to me. Are you really sure about this, Emily? You mean yes, thank you so much, Star. My dog, you're the best friend I could ever have. Sorry. Okay, but aren't we gonna have to hire people? Won't that be sort of a problem? A problem? Problem? No way! How would that be a problem? Why would that ever be a problem? Yeah, let's go start. Okay. Hurry up, Star. Coming, I'm sorry. There you are. What took you so long? Sorry. Oh, shoot, I forgot. Oh, great. Sorry, had to get changed. Whoa there, that's a bit, never mind. Okay. Looks like a tornado. Huh? Did you say something? Oh, no, Star. Okay, Emily. So I was thinking, you're saying, never mind. That this could be like an only short-haired cats FBI unit, because we're short-haired cats, and then we could have like only a short-haired cat of an FBI unit. Like, that would be amazing, wouldn't it? Wouldn't you think? Not exactly, but okay. Alright, perfect. My sister can join us. Your sister? She is such a brat. No offense, but still. Yeah, I know. Let's just start. Okay, good idea. Hey, wait up! Sir, please, sir. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me help you up. Oh, what do you want? Thanks, I guess. Oh, hi, sorry. I was wondering, like, you know what, come with me, okay, please? Okay. Sorry, ma'am. Emily, Derek. Come on, let's go. Okay. You really had to chase him down? Haha, yeah, kinda. So what is it you wanted to talk about? Oh, so we're recruiting, some pets, and they have to be short-haired cats like you and me, and Emily. Yeah. Okay, what is it about? The FBI. It's a unit of the FBI. We're only recruiting short-haired cats, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Oh, cool. I've always wanted to be in the FBI. Sure, how do I sign up? Okay, so we're limited to about, 7 pets, and me, Emily, and you are included, so we can get 4 more pets. So, yeah. You will be sent the plans. Just write your email. Okay, thank you. Alright. Alright, thank you. Have a good day, sir. Derek. Derek, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Wait, your name? Star. Emily. Yeah, okay. Thanks. Bye. I'm Derek. One recruit. Your tutoring will never be enough. You see, you will never learn. Come on now, learn to be a girly girl. Hey, wait a minute. Hey there, what's your name? I'll meet you there. Okay. What do you want? Hey, we're recruiting FBI units. 7 pets. That includes 4 of us if you sign up. Whatever. Okay. Here's my email. I always wanted to be in the FBI. Sorry about my attitude. My tutor wants me to be sassy, quote unquote. Huh. Yeah, I guess I'll meet you guys there, okay? Bye. Bye. This is easy. We'll have some rejections. Maybe. Maybe not. I seriously doubt that. Now hurry up. Come on, let's go. Oh, what's this? Sorry. Let's go. Hey, wait, do you want to be in the FBI? No. Rejection number 1. Whatever. Oh, hey, sis. Hi. What are you doing? We're doing the FBI units. You're recruiting people? Yeah. Okay, I'll sign up. Here's my email, and I'll be the head of the account. Bye. Great, now we got a brat on our team. Yeah, whatever. It's still someone. Yeah, okay. So we've got 5 pets. Now we need 2 more. Alright. Oh, come on, hurry up. Let's go. Hey, wait. What? We're in a rush. FBI units only for short-haired cats. 2 more recruits. Do you want to sign up? Sure, here's my email. Send me the plans. Bye. Gotta go. Fine, if my sister does it. Here's my email. See ya. Okay, bye. Thanks. That was fast. Yeah, I know. You thinking what I'm thinking? Totally. Yeah, okay, see you later. Okay, bye.